how many fasteners per 4x8 board, why we just can't answer it with a phone call. It gets way too detailed. So what I did was just put links below for you guys to spend an hour or two clicking around, reading and watching some of these videos. You're going to get all the information you need to get started. You're going to be way ahead of your competition. I started digging in to write it, but it's all out there. There's no reason for me to rewrite. It's so much information. It's so technical. It's so well done. I also put the math down there for those of you that want to do the math yourself. Figure out what system you're using, what you're doing. It ain't rocket science. Even if you're not putting in a full warranted system, contact the material manufacturer that you're installing. The material manufacturer should and will be glad to help you out determining how many fasteners per board you need. If for some reason you don't want to do that, go to the manufacturer's website. There's links below to example websites from Carlisle for specifications. SOPREMA has some great stuff out there. Carlisle, some great stuff out there. If you spend an hour, God forbid, 2, watching some of these videos, and I watch them at like 1.25 or 1.5 speed to go faster, you will have an understanding of why we just can't give you the number over the phone and how to get the proper number. So you're covering yourself. We'll be glad to help you with anything we can, but this is just something that we get tons of phone calls on. Stop asking and just figure it out for yourselves. Contact your material manufacturer. Even if you're not installing a full system warranty or any warranty, your material manufacturer will be glad to help. Hope this helps. Feel free to call with any other questions. Thanks.